What's up, world? It's Monday. Another day, another challenge. And one of my beautiful subscribers said, "Hey, Daystorm, you haven't done a hard challenge in a while." Really? I thought they were hard. He said, "I noticed in a lot of your videos you have a Rubik's Cube in the background." You mean this cube right here? He said, "And I challenge you to solve this cube." But you know what? You're not going to learn anything by me solving this cube, so how about I teach you how to solve it? Let's go. You got a problem, yo, I'll solve it. You got a problem, yo, I'll solve it. You got a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Yo, I'll solve it. If you got a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Watch me take this color cube and help you resolve it. Wanna solve your Rubik's Cube? First you gotta pray. Nah, I'm only kidding. Let me show you the way. See, first you get the top, which is relatively easy. It all starts out with a simple T, see? Align your T with the colors on the side. Let's finish up the top. By these rules you must abide. Down, bottom, up, pops a corner up. I said down, bottom, up, pops a corner up again. Down, bottom, up, pops a corner up. Now do that 4 times. Who needs beginner's luck? Top solved. Now move on to the next row. Your center should be there, but make sure you check though. The middle corners are your next big task. Glad that you asked. The corner for this slot, put it here at the bottom. It's about to get tricky, but it's really not a problem. Down, bottom, up, bottom, down, bottom, bottom. Up, bottom, down, bottom, up. That's what's up. If you got a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Don't worry. Yo, I'll solve it's not a problem. Yo, I'll solve we gon' get it solved. Yo, I'll solve it. Whoa, now you looking like a genius. Almost solved your Rubik's Cube and everybody's seen it. You wanna brag to your friends, but before you go, let me teach you how to solve the bottom row. These corners, see, they come before the middle edge. Now I'ma drill this algorithm in your head. To get these corners in their proper position, all you gotta do is shut up and listen. Turn right, bottom, right, front, right, bottom, right. Then bottom, bottom, turn right, bottom, right, front, right, bottom, right. Then bottom, bottom. I see you got them all. You on your hustle. Now it's time for you to learn the 3-corner shuffle. Right, bottom, right, bottom, right, bottom, bottom, right, bottom, bottom. 2 codes to go before we close the show. And you shout out on Facebook, letting the world know that you solved the cube with codes in your head. Now let me teach you how to get the final edge. Go double up front, double down around, double up front, double down. Keep doing that until it's 2 colors off. Let's do the final code, it's time to set it off. Front, left, back, front, bottom, back, yeah. You just solved the Rubik's Cube in 2 minutes flat. You got a problem, yo, I'll solve it. You got a problem, yo, I'll solve it. You got a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Yo, I'll solve it. If you missed my last video, bam, it's right there. The throwback video, boop. It'll be right there. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Twitter. Subscribe to my second channel because I'm going to start putting more videos there also. Alright, I'm going to see y'all soon. Deuces. Don't know.
Daystorm's going to go find a girl and try to pick her up. And I'm gonna secretly camera it.
Joe Nation is going to give me a pickup line.
Alright, hold on.
I'm going to say Joe's pickup line to some girl.
It's an icebreaker.
Good luck with that one, buddy.
Ontdek het nieuwe Holland Casino met Casino All-in. Groepsarrangementen vanaf €29,95 per persoon. Ideaal als je iets te vieren hebt. Boek snel op hollandcasino.nl of bel 0900 0770.
Shame it.